to save all this and know what the solution is with 12, and now I'm going to change the numbers for 24. So how do you make a copy? You guys all know this, right? Just right-click your thing, do a move or copy, select the one you want, which is example 2, click the box that says create a copy. Okay, so I selected the sheet in the workbook that I'm interested in making a copy. It's checked off, let's make a copy. Say okay, yeah, there it is. So I have example 2, I have example 2-2. I could rename it, but I won't right now. So for this one, again, what am I trying to do? I am going to change 12 to 24. So I just selected the whole thing again. I just press 2, 4, Control, hold the Control key, press Enter, and I got 24. Okay. So is it that easy? Really? That's all we have to do? Let me double check the question now. It says, well, how does the solution change if I found another store with 24? I guess that's it, man. So I'm just going to go back here. Now we see the solution already right now when it was 12. It was that was the solution, and then the cost was $871. I'm going to go ahead now and go to Solver. Everything's still set up the way it needs to be, so I say solve. Okay. Hey, it dropped. My cost went from I saved $7. It's now $864. It was $871. I just saved $7. That's good. I can maybe buy a coffee. Okay. And yeah, the numbers are different, right? And what is it? Remember what were some of the binding constraints we saw earlier? 3 and 4, right? So now, actually, let me. And 1 it said, but let's go back to 2 so I can actually see the solution. Okay, so we can see that. And then if I go back, if I go to our new one, notice what happened. We dropped toy 5, because that was 4. Remember, we were stuck at 12. What's interesting is now toy 4, we can go to 13. So, because now, instead of being stuck at 12, so that's, and toy 1, we actually bought a few more now, which is weird. Right? I mean, geez, just by, in fact, it didn't have to be 24, it looks like, right? If it was just 13, we would have got this, right? So the fact that we found a store that had 24, that's fine. That's way surplus. If that frickin' store had only had 13, right, we would have got this solution. Okay. All right.